the best domain name generator site is back. So I'm going to show you a website that I used to use a lot. I even used to buy domains from here and sell them on Flipper. I actually did a video on it a lot years ago now, about 2 years ago, and everyone was using it, and then it disappeared, and then it came back. Someone purchased this website, and it's back, and I'm going to show you how to find the best domain names. So if you run a blog or a website or a Shopify store, you want to watch this video. This is the only site you will ever need in your entire life to find really, really cool domain names. Alright guys, so I'm going to jump into this. It's been a super busy week for me. That's why I haven't been uploading. Tax week, got to pay taxes. We just had another company that I run hit $1 million online, which I'm going to talk about at the end of this video. I just did some free training on how we got that to $1 million. But what I want to do, guys, is show you in this video a site called Flame Domain. This is badass, man. This is the craziest site for finding really good domain names. So it is, every day you get 3 tries for free, and if you want to do more, you pay like I think I pay like $9 a month or something, or $7 annually a month if you do it annually. And I'm going to show you how to work this. Like it's incredible. And there's a few things you can do. You can go out there and you can find domain names to sell on Flipper, like really good ones that sell for 1,000, 10,000. I've seen back 2 years ago when I released this, right, a video exactly like this. Someone emailed me and said that they got up to they're making around about on average $8,000 a month by finding domains from this website, purchasing them, and then reselling them on flipper.com. And he was making around about 8 to 10 grand a month, I think. I haven't heard from him for a while, but he would even buy websites and then like niche websites and turn them into a site, like, you know, put up a basic WordPress theme, get some hosting and stuff like that. He would make basic sites, like really niche related, like a fishing blog or a Shopify this or whatever, and he would sell them to people as ready-made websites. So there's so many angles. You can sell domains, you can buy the domains, create websites and sell ready-made websites, or if you want to just look for a cool domain name, you can come here and you can get a cool domain name. So this is flamedomain.com, no affiliation. This is just what I use to find killer domain names. So we'll go into my back end real quick, and we will just go here. I just upgraded today because this site literally just came live like a week ago again. So I'm going to go into here and go generate new. Now, if you do the free account, guys, it's going to be generate. You're going to do it all here, okay? So you'll go down here and pick everything. But we'll do it on my back end. It's pretty much the same. So you can do random, and it will randomly generate a random domain. This is pretty cool. Comes up with some really weird stuff. See, like a lot of these. So if you can find like a 4-letter domain, if you find a 4-letter one, you'll make a lot of money. It's really hard to find 4-letter domains now. Even these 5s are very rare. Look at that. There's not many 5s. If you go for 7s, you'll probably come up with quite a few 7s. Yeah, more 7s. But 5s are really rare now. So if you can snag a good 5, you're going to make some good money. Okay? Later on in the future, might not be soon. But what I really like, guys, is we have niche specific domains. This is really good. So my girlfriend's starting a food blog, and we were looking on here the other day, and we came up with the name in like the second try. We might see it even. And you can click on the names. So check Salty, and it'll show you if I think from what I remember, it'll show you if there's, should show you, okay, it used to show you if the social media account is available as well, but it doesn't. So let's have another generate. So I don't think it shows up many domains in the back end because I have unlimited tries. But when you do it on here for free, it will show a lot more domains. Graham Kitchen, Snack Build, Mash Spread, like there's not Chop Edge, Yum Roam. So we'll try e-commerce, but then there's also another option that's even better. And it's how I found my Instagram handle, Frank Chill, and I have one called Frank Hustle, which we're doing some tests on. We'll generate again. So e-commerce is like quite random, draft, hobby, but let's try luxury or health. Health is a good one. And you can also buy the domains from here, but I use namesilo.com. So growth, flair. These aren't that great, but if we go to input and put in a word, so Frank. So this is really good for when you start doing general things. So let's put in deal, and we'll put deal after the name, because general stores usually have a deal in there somewhere. Frank's deals or this deal or something like that. It is a bit slow today. Not sure why. Okay, we're back. It took a little bit. Left deal, linear deal, bound deal, known deal, 70 deal. This is what I use the most. Lane deal, tilt deal. This is what I use the most to get domain names. Like literally, if you have a general Shopify store, you can jump in like tilt deal. Go start a Shopify general store tilt deal. Status deal, lane deal. Like obviously curve deal. Like obviously it has to sound good and flow off the tongue nicely. But steed deal, like you can literally just go and start. Like if you're really stuck for names, you can go and find a thing. Or you can do it before. So before would mean that it would do it before the next word, so we deal something. Or I can go random, and we'll see what comes up with random. Let's see here. Might have to pause the video again. Okay, so we're back, and we have fixed. So it's random. So it's in the front and in the back. But what if I want to put in something like Frank? We want to go before Ping Frank, Frank Breeze, Value Frank, Local Frank, Step Frank, Last Frank, Offer Frank. So you can see, and it'll keeps going down because there's heaps. Frank 0. So guys, you can use, like will be the only website you ever need. It will take a while for you to find a good domain sometimes, but sometimes you'll be searching through here and you'll find like a golden one that's worth a lot of money as well. Like I said, some of those 5-letter ones would be, but you just look through one, and sorry, I'm just trying to look here. Frank React, Frank Habit, Frank Valid. And to be honest, actually, sorry, when you're doing your store names, you only want 2 words max, okay? Don't make it like Frank's Awesome Deal Shop. You want to have 2 words max. That's also another reason why I like this, because it rolls off the tongue a bit better. People remember it. It looks good for Google search, and it's just better, right? It's just better. Frank 6, like, I don't know, that kind of brandable, rolls off the tongue a little bit. Yeah, so that's it for this video, guys. Really, really quick, but I do have something I want to share with you guys. So I've been really, really busy this week, and one of my companies, anyway, this is Flame Domain. I'll put that below. But I've been really busy this week. One of my companies just hit $1 million, and what I've done is I've created a free training course. It's completely free, 5 days of training. It's called the 5 Funnel Challenge, and I'll show you how I increased my revenue by implementing funnels into my business. And it's got all the curriculum here, and then there's a private Facebook group, and there's actually more training videos I'm going to be bringing out. And if you want to see the $1 million results, I think it's in around about day 4. I show all that sort of stuff. I go into the PayPal, go into the Stripe, do the refresh, show all the proof, and I basically lay out how I made $1 million within 12 months, step by step. From it's not Shopify, it's an information product, but step by step. So you just go to here, I'll leave a link in the description, you click on here, you sign up, and you don't have to pay anything. There's no course at the end. It's not like I'm not dragging you down the rabbit hole to sell you something. I'm not dragging you down the rabbit hole to give you a webinar. However, because this is free, the software that I'm using to build these funnels, I will be recommending, and if you do decide to take that, I'll get a commission. So the software is a free trial, so you can literally follow along with me. And if you don't like it or you don't want to do it anymore, you just cancel your trial and you don't pay anything. And if you decide to stay on, I get a little bit of a commission, and that commission goes towards keeping the training going and helping people inside the Facebook support group. This took a long time. This took a whole week nearly to create, do all this sort of stuff, do all the emails, and the support groups like a couple of hours a day. So, I can do it for free, but the commissions help with all the time that goes into this stuff, because it does take a long time to set up all of this stuff, all right? So I just want to let you guys know about that. It's pretty cool, pretty free. Check it out. I say pretty lot, don't I? Check it out. And if you want to find sweet domain names, guys, flamedomain.com. Remember to subscribe, like the video. If you are new to my channel, go check out all my other videos, and I'll leave some up on the screen. And I'll see you in the next video.